So hello guys, welcome to my channel versus Studies and Vlogs, and today in this video we are going from our hotel which is known as Starling Aircase Hotel. From there we are traveling to Alleapey, and within 300 kilometers it's a distance from this hotel. We will reach it in around 2-3 hours. So please keep supporting guys, and please watching this completed journey. It's our second journey on day 2. On first day I traveled too much, so I get exhausted, and that's why I feel so tired, and I completed my dinner and got slept. And next day I got ready for my tour, and now I am enjoying. First I completed my breakfast, and now I am on the receptionist bar. As you can see guys, it's a beautiful view of this hotel. It's a luxurious hotel guys. You also must visit here if you want to visit Cochin once. So from now अभी के लिए इतना ही गाइस. अभी आगे देखते हम आगे जाएंगे. अभी एलापी जाने के लिए 300 किलोमीटर्स का डिस्टेंस है, और करीब 3 to 4 आवर्स में हम वहाँ पे अराइव कर लेंगे. सो वहाँ पे भी आपको बोट हाउस वगैरह का हमारा जो भी टाइमिंग रहेगा वो भी मैं आपको शो करता रहूँगा. तो गाइस फाइनली हम एंटर हो चुके हैं बोट में, और ये है हमारा बोट हाउस, और ये है हमारा रूम. जैसे कि गाइस आप देख सकते हैं ये हमारा रूम है, और यहाँ से बाहर का साइड सीन भी काफी ब्यूटीफुल लगता है. जैसे कि गाइस अभी मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं गाइस, ये है हमारा रूम. पूरा लग्जरियस रूम है गाइस, और ये एक 3 स्टार होटल की तरह ही है गाइस, एक बोट के अंदर. और काफ़ी ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है ऐसे कि एक बोट में ट्रैवल भी करना है और साथ ही साथ होटल का मज़ा भी लेना है. सच अ ब्यूटीफुल ग्लोरीज गाइस. सो लेट मी शो यू माय बोट हाउस. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल let me show you the kitchen where the chefs are working for lunch and preparing food, as you can see guys. And this one is an Indian room guys. Now we have to watch. It's my second room guys. We have 2 rooms in this boat house, so it's my second room guys, where I want to rest here, so I can rest there. And there are 2 beautiful rooms, and it's a double floor. As you can see guys, this is my balcony. Such a beautiful view can be seen from here. The black water right there, as you can see guys. Such a beautiful boats. I hope you can enjoy guys. Now let me show you at my first floor. At first floor it's like a rooftop. As you can see guys, I am on now for my first floor, and it is a rooftop. Here many chairs are there for sitting, and if you want to rest then you may rest here. and such a beautiful view also can be seen from here, as you can see guys. So I am enjoying great guys, काफी मजा आ रहा है मुझे तो गाइस। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, इधर से यहाँ से पूरा व्यू आपको क्लियरली दिखाई दे रहा होगा। यहाँ से आपको पूरा व्यू एकदम क्लियर दिखेगा, देख सकते हैं गाइस। तो ये था हमारा फर्स्ट फ्लोर। अब मैंने आपको किचन दिखा दिया, मेरा 2 रूम्स दिखा दिया, और तो हमने बालकनी भी देख लिया है। और नाउ वी हैव ऑल्सो सीन आवर रूफटॉप। सो दिस वाज माय बोट हाउस इंफॉर्मेशन गाइस। आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा ये जानकर लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा, और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल बटन प्रेस कीजिएगा ताकि मेरे आने वाले सभी वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आपको अपलोड होते ही तुरंत। सो गाइस, दिस वाज माय day 2 at Alleapey house boat in Cochin. So let us take a quick review what we done today. After the breakfast we get check out from the hotel at 9 AM and get transferred to the houseboat embarkation point at Alleapey 90 kilometers, which is 3 hours drive. The Kerala houseboats are used to form inseparable ingredient the way of life, and in the Kerala the traditional boat is locally called as Kettu Volam. Check-in to out and the beautiful exclusive houseboat. Your private boat will be facilitated. It means my private boat here is be facilitated with the bedrooms, bathrooms, living area, sun deck, dining and beautiful corridor. The boat will also have a kitchen to prepare this meal on board. The full day cruise will include your meals and overnight stay on board today here. So I will be staying on night here. This a journey through boat house with the curving and winding Kerala backwaters in the houseboat. It means also known as Kettuvalam, and the Kerala is an experience returning to nature. It's a full day cruise and overnight stay on board here. Today this houseboat will cruise regions of we are traveled on the Vembandu Lake, Pathiramanal Island, R Block, Punnamada Lake, Kainkari Canal, and many other regions of the Kutanadu and Alfiza. This boat adorned the lake for the overnight stay here. As you can see guys, I am staying here for this night today, and there's such a beautiful journey guys. So guys, this was my day 2, and I hope guys you watched and enjoyed our day 2 at Alleapey Boat. So guys, we have completed our day 2 at Kochi in Alleapey and houseboat, and our next destination and our next tour is at Alleapey to Munnar. We are transferring from Munnar after breakfast, which is called as Nature Lover of Paradise. Munnar is also called as Nature Lover of Paradise. It has a strolling street plantations. It is about 1800 kilometers above from the sea level and 200 kilometers from the Alleapey. It took 4 hours 30 minutes to drive. On arrival, check here from the hotel, and the days of the sightseeing it includes the including the menu PT for the boating or Kandala Dam, Eco Point, and waterfalls, shooting point, Blossom Point, Blossom Park, Kathakali show, and other shows, Ayurveda massage and elephant ride are also included in it. So we are traveling tomorrow at Munnar. It's such a beautiful place guys, and we are staying overnight a resort there also. Okay guys, so this was a short information of tomorrow's planning. I hope you guys you liked it. Then please like our video. We will meet you at the morning. Okay guys, तब तक के लिए लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल बटन प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि मेरे आने वाले सभी वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशंस आपको अपलोड होते ही तुरंत मिल जाए। ओके गाइस, चलता हूँ इसी उम्मीद के साथ। जय हिंद, जय भारत।